This week's big auto headlines start with VinFast, which has opened bookings for its upcoming electric MPV 7 in India. The 7-seat EV can be reserved for a token amount of Rs 21,000 and the launch is set for April 15th. In safety news, the Kia Seltos has scored a 5-star BNCAP rating with strong results in both adult and child occupant protection. The rating applies to all variants, even though BNCAP tested the diesel automatic HTE optional and GTX trims. Hyundai has also joined the 5-star club as the venue has earned a full 5-star in Bharat NCAP testing. The SUV scored 31.15 out of 32 for the adult occupant protection and 44.46 out of 49 for the child occupant protection, with a rating extending to all venue variants including the N line. Over in the global SUV space, JLR and Chery have revived the Freelander nameplate with the new concept 97. The first model under the revived Freelander brand is expected to be an electrified 4x4 SUV, with more models to follow over the next 5 years. And back on Indian roads, the FASTag annual pass has gotten a price revision, rising from Rs 3,000 to Rs 3,075 from April 1st. The pass remains valid for private non-commercial vehicles for up to 1 year or 200 toll crossings, whichever comes first. In the two-wheeler space, Suzuki has launched the 2026 Burgman Street with changes in design and features. The scooter comes at a starting price of Rs 1.02 lakhs and carries forward the same 125cc engine, which churns out the same power but there is extra torque.